Hi guys, and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to listen music on YouTube with your screen off. If you want to listen music with your screen off on YouTube, you need to have Premium. But for this one we will use Chrome, select YouTube, and then search for your song. Now select your song, now go to the three dots and enable desktop site. Click on play and now turn off your screen. Turn on it again and click again on play. And you can listen with your screen turned off. You can pause it whenever you want. This feature only works if you are on Google Chrome and not in the YouTube app. Thank you all for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.